Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on your Android device using cloud gaming. This innovative technology allows you to stream full Xbox titles directly to your phone or tablet, eliminating the need for a powerful gaming PC or console. You can enjoy the expansive Halo universe from almost anywhere, as long as you have a reliable internet connection. It's a fantastic way to experience your favorite games on the go, bringing console-quality graphics and gameplay to your mobile device. Cloud gaming works by running the game on powerful servers in a data center, then streaming the video output to your Android device. Your phone or tablet simply sends your button presses back to the server. This means your device doesn't need to be super powerful. The heavy lifting is done remotely. For the best experience, a strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi with at least 7 megabits per second download speed, is crucial to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. To access Halo via cloud gaming, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This premium service not only grants you access to cloud gaming, but also unlocks a massive library of over 100 high-quality games. This includes popular Halo titles like Halo Infinite and the comprehensive Halo, the Master Chief Collection. The subscription typically costs about $15 per month, and new users can often find introductory offers for a $1 trial. Getting started is straightforward. First, download the Xbox Game Pass app onto your Android device. Next, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller, to your phone. Many modern mobile controllers also work well. Ensure your device is running Android version 6.0 or higher. With your subscription active and controller connected, simply open the app, choose your desired Halo game from the library, and you'll be ready to jump into the action and enjoy the epic battles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.